Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me a file, it's actually a JPEG of something like this, and want to know how they could reproduce that. Well, there's at least 3 ways you could do the same thing. Draw 4 rectangles, group them together, and then draw a square, and then select everything and intersect. The intersect is going to give you that. So let's delete that. Now let's take a circle. Whoop, I hit delete. And hit P, put it in the center of the page. Draw you a rectangle and hit P. Control D and make a duplicate and turn that rectangle at a 90-degree angle. Now you could take and select it all and go back minus front. And then right click and you get and then you could left click, get rid of the outline. That's one way to do it. So that's the second way. Now here's the third way. You have your rectangle, you can always use your Smart Fill tool, fill with black, and just move these out of the way, or fill them in, and then you could left click, no outline, and you get that same dimension. But it all depends on what size you want the space. This is more like the original, but there's at least 3 ways to do that. Hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.